Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy early Saturday morning. So much going on this weekend, particularly today that I know of, that I wanted to get on here, jump an early start for you today. Just letting you know some good news and some bad news. It depends what you're looking for this weekend. We're not going to talk about severe weather today, much, if at all. Severe weather, not going to be the topic, more so for tomorrow. So, some changing data overnight that I want to show you. But let's go ahead and get right to radar first thing this morning. A couple things standing out to me. There's the radar looping. Everything is below severe limits that has pressed in from the west and from the northwest, actually, this morning. What stands out to me is the heaviest of the thunderstorms now being just south of Butler here, looking out at east of 49 around Pleasant Gap, south of 52. Little thunderstorm going on over in Appleton City, but this looks to be the heaviest area right now for thunderstorm activity. Over on the Kansas side, I see you guys over about south of Ottawa. So stretching over to Osawatomie, Lacine, picking up Butler. So that's our thunderstorm area stretching through this morning. Rain is socked in pretty good. It's been some rumbling, rolling thunder for about the last, 45 minutes or so. This is 5:57 a.m. on your Saturday morning. So we go ahead and loop the radar, and you can see there is some more of that to roll through with the fading edge out there along Emporia, looking towards Osage City and Ottawa right now. So rain and thunderstorms will continue for the next little bit. Let's actually take a look and see how the rest of the day goes today. By the way, here is that severe weather outlook for today adjusted. So just the general thunderstorms for northern Missouri coming down almost to let's see, Lebanon, Joplin, right before we get into the marginal risk today, with the severe stuff being Arkansas and points to the south and the east. So a big adjustment there. Here is how things go for the rest of the morning. Looking again at showers and thunderstorms, I'm looking at the 7 a.m. hour, 8 a.m. at about pushing 8, 9 a.m. I do see a good thunderstorm system headed over here toward Fort Scott, Stark, Kansas, towards Hepler, Liberal. I think showers pick up all along this corridor here, headed over towards Eldo and possibly Wablo. Looking up a little bit further north, Butler, Clinton, picking up showers as well. Could be a few little embedded thunderstorms around this, but I do see this popping through on data about, like I say, again, 9 a.m. So I'd move through the rest of the day. Looking now towards about 10, 11, I just see spotty showers that continue all over the place. These would gust up pretty quick. Not expecting wind so much with these, but possibly heavy downpours, a little bit of hail would be in the probabilities for today. So here I am moving towards about 1 a.m. Let me go ahead and back this up towards that lunch hour. Looking up in Kansas City, looks like our storms may track a little bit further north of the city today until this afternoon. I'm now looking at about 2 p.m. that I do think showers and thunderstorms will again sweep through the area. They're going to hit KC there. Looks like about 1, possibly 2. Moving down here towards west central Missouri, towards about the 3, 4 p.m. hour. So possibly some robust thunderstorms all throughout the region, but looking a little bit more, I was going to say on the Missouri side, but that's towards central Missouri. I do think east central Kansas, you do pick up a couple of small cells today, moving through these afternoon hours, but heavier activity looks to find over toward St. Louis. So looking at Sunday, that's our topic. Severe weather outlook for Sunday, June 8th. These are the things I want to run through real quick because, I mean, there's quite a bit to talk about for tomorrow afternoon. So here we are with the tornado outlook. We'll touch that in just a second. A little bit stronger down to the south and the west, but it is not zero. Talking about Sunday afternoon primarily. Severe winds and damaging hail. These two being our primary risk. Sunday afternoon, I'll show you the time frame next. But the hatched area there, off to the left side of your screen, showing a greater than 10% probability of significant hail, up to possibly around 2 inches in diameter. So let me go ahead and pull up the Sunday data. Just 1 second. We'll look at that. Yeah, here we go. Can I pull that up for you? Yeah, there it is. Awesome. So here is Sunday. Looking at about, what time am I up to now? This is about 3. So let me back this up. There's about 2 o'clock. We should start to see some clustered thunderstorms up around north of I-70 there, north of Columbia, before that cold front sags through. And as it does, I'm just seeing these clustered thunderstorms just ever so often, right along the front, right? So where might they be? Down here towards Winfield, Howard, Kansas, maybe between Iola and Fort Scott, maybe over here around Butler, Clinton. This is, again, the 3-4 p.m. hour. So let me zoom out a little bit and show you what sets up next. This will be a line of thunderstorms, most likely, along this cold front. So we're looking at everything from discrete cells clustered to possibly a linear threat. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to North American model now, just to be kind of full disclosure here that along that cold front, North American model handling it a little bit differently, but we possibly have some linear structures in there, as this moves toward central Missouri. So go back to the HRRR, you can see clusters possibly working toward linear out here in central Missouri. So we're going to have the possibility for those quasi-linear convective system to spawn up little tornadoes. We look up at the leading edge often for those. And so that is a possibility. It is low. Want to go ahead and do significant tornado parameter again, just to show you it is low, but it is not zero. So moving through the afternoon, see the yellow picks up, and this is a scale of 1 to 10. Just keep that in mind. It's just good for reference. Helps with anxiety, but I do see it a little bit more towards central Missouri there, picking up, right? Sweeping off toward very eastern Missouri as that develops tomorrow afternoon. So that is the data that I have for you today. Keep an eye on things. I expect it to just be rain and thunder. In fact, we can go back to radar one more time and take a look at what's going on right now. Let's do that real quick before I am out of here. Yeah, so again, let's see. What do we have? Butler, Rich Hill. Thunderstorm activity right now looks to lighten up, getting up here towards Adrian, Archie, headed up towards Belton. It's raining all the way up into Kansas City this morning, but you guys up here, Overland Park and South, should stay on the lighter edge of things. Moving over in Kansas, you're starting to be on the back edge of this particular system this morning. It's heaviest south of Ottawa, around Princeton right now. So let's go ahead and loop the radar for you one more time. Taking its sweet time with a little bit of lightning in there and some thunder, looks like over here around Appleton City. Say Appleton City, Pleasant Gap area, headed over towards Lowry City, up and down 13 Highway right now, just right at Lowry City, actually. Looks like you guys are picking up possibly the leading edge of these thunderstorms this morning. So that's what I have for you today. Happy Saturday to you. Try to help out with everything that's been going on today and everything you're anticipating. Just going to have to dodge rain showers through the next few hours. Spotty stuff possible this afternoon, but it's that tomorrow afternoon I'm most concerned about. I'll keep you posted. Have a great Saturday. See ya.